Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So a lot of you had asked me about affordable makeup brand and also the products which are, quite reasonable. So I just thought of creating this look for Navratri, and Navratri is here, so I thought of just creating a festive look so that you guys can also get ready like this maybe if you want. So here I just got ready with these products from Swiss Beauty. This is a very good brand which is available at Nykaa. So let's start the makeup. Before makeup, I just wanted to moisturize my face, and this is from the Body Shop, and I'm just taking this moisturizer. This is extremely good moisturizer, or you can say it as a serum. This also provides glow and brightness, and it's really amazing. In case you wanted to buy, you can just order it from their outlet. It's really amazing. Now I'm taking Swiss Beauty. This is basically a illuminator which will illuminate and prime your face. So after moisturizer, I'm just opening this comes in the cardboard packaging. The shade is 01 Pearl. Here how it's really nice if you wanted to just give a glow and illuminate your face. So this can be applied before your makeup, before foundation. So I'm just putting some drops in, just blending it in. It provides the good natural glow. Yeah, so just try to blend it in, and it got absorbed. Now I'm taking this studio cover by Swiss Beauty, wherein you get all the shades, like here I'm doing color correction from the same palette just to show you. I don't need it, but I just wanted to show you how it looks. So you put orange color so that you hide your spots well, and once you blend this in, you are gonna cover it with different base. So this is how the color correction is done. You take orange, it comes in different shades also. Today I have taken orange because that was provided in this, and on top of this I'm just layering it with one shade darker than my skin tone, which is in the brown, so that this gets hidden, and then I can apply my shade in. So this brown shade I am just covering all over my face, so that the spots what I have, or if somebody has, they can use these tricks for any, if you wanted to apply a good base to your face for party or festival. Just putting it in the under eyes, so that it just looks flawless, and it matches to my skin. Yeah, so that's how you do the correction. Now moving on, I'm taking another brightening shade and just applying it all over my face. So now I'm matching my skin tone. Yeah, so just match it in. Just I'm putting all over and just blended that in, and it's look all even together. You can't see any of the spots. Now I'm just contouring my face with the dark color. It's available in Swiss Beauty palette. This palette is really nice. If you wanted to have one palette, you can have this on, and I already reviewed this palette before, so you can just watch that video. If you wanted to buy, this is really affordable too. So many shades you get just in 500 to 600. So I'm just coloring my face in with the dark brown color and blending that in with the blending brush or contouring brush. Yeah, like so. Blend it really well. You have to blend it very well. It shouldn't look like you have got something on. It should get blended. Now I am brightening my under eyes with the little brighter color what I have in Swiss Beauty palette. Just blend that in. I am just giving shade to my face, little brown, little light shade and all. Now here I am doing my brows with Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. This is really nice smudge proof pencil. So in case you are looking for any affordable pencil, this is under 100 rupees. And if you're looking for some affordable pencil and you just wanted to give a shape, I don't know why am I smiling there. So yeah, let's move on to the eye shadow. So I'm taking peach color from Swiss Beauty 32 color eyeshadow palette. This also reviewed before, so you can watch it on my channel too. So just trying to blend this in. You need to provide give a good base to your eye, so that you can pop out other colors too. So this is here I'm giving peach color as a base. Now I'm taking the blending brush, and now I'm taking some red color and trying to blend that in. Yeah, just blending it in the center of my eyes. Now I'm taking this loose pigment from Swiss Beauty. Everything is gonna be from Swiss Beauty because I'm just reviewing that brand and trying to do makeup with the same. This is really nice pigmented golden color, loose pigment eyeshadow what I have, and you can use it if you have any. You can see how pigmented is that. So if you are going for any festival event or something, wedding, then this looks just amazing. You can use it with your fingers, or if you want to do it with brush you can, but I feel that it is good with fingers. It comes out well. Yeah, again I'm taking the another shade, and I'm just blending it with my fingers. Yeah, it's kind of a green color. Yeah, green and blackish color. I'm just making it in. I'm just intensifying my eyes. I'm just dusting off all the shades or whatever eyeshadows were just fallen off. So just got this clear. Now I'm taking Swiss Beauty eyeliner in the shade black and lining my eyes. The tip is really precise, so you can just give it a shot for a good liner. Now I'm taking another brush from Wet n Wild and just took this red color and putting it. I'm not putting any kajal today, so I'm just putting this in. Yeah, that's how I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going ahead for the lips. For lips I'm using this gel lip color. The shade is 02, and you can see how beautiful it looks like gel. So it looks like orange, but it gives you the pinkish lipstick color, and the more you dragging the better it color gives. But however, I'm happy with very light color. I don't want to make it too heavy. So lips should be just okay for me, little bit, just few hint of a color. That's it. This is how it looks. Now I just got ready with the bindi and the jewelry what I have, silver jewelry and some Navratri style. I just did the clothing when I talk about. Now I'm just doing my hair. So what I thought, I'll just make a braid from the front and I'll just pull it off few strands so that it gives me the fuller look from the front. So I'm just putting a braid on. Just braiding, and I will pull few strands out. Yeah, now I just wanted to pull few strands out so that it gives me the fuller look, like so. Pull it slowly and make your braid what you are making, it should be a little loose so that you would be able to pull it out. If it is too tight, then you won't be able to do this. That's how. And this, now just tuck that in with the help of bobby pin out there. I'm just inserting the pin back of my head. Yeah, that's how. Now I'm taking another side and doing the same thing. I'm just repeating the same process, not doing anything new. So just take few strands, 3 braid strands you have to put, and you will have to pull the hair out. Now I'm just pulling the hair out. Yeah. So now I'm making it upside down to the different side, the side where I had another braided band. So just give it 2 strands so that it gives you a good effect and fuller look from the front. That's it. So I'm just trying to adjust that in to shape my face, and that's how it is done. You can see this is the final finished look. Hope you liked this, guys, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and just be with me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.